It's the sound of a magnolia breeze, ice cubes and sweet tea, fight song on a Friday, bugs that were buzzing in the driveway. It ain't much, but it sounds so sweet. A Southern Symphony to sing along, let it play on and on, 'cause where I come from, that's a love song. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. This was a song that was requested, so if you guys have requests, please let me know, and I will do my best to get to them. I can't promise I'll get to all of them, but I'll do my best. This song is Southern Symphony by Russell Dickerson. Okay, this is a great song that was requested. I'd never heard it before, so I'm really glad it was requested. All right, so this is in standard tuning and has a capo on the 2nd fret. I'm going to teach you guys how to play the chords. And show you when you play the chords with a strumming pattern, and like where you play them with the lyrics and through the verses and intro and everything. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with a C, and everything when there's a capo on, every like finger pattern or finger placement, I should say, is in relation to the capo. So the capo is like a 0 fret. Okay, so all right, what we're going to do is you're going to start with a C chord, all right? So you put your ring finger, goes like, all right, on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, so that's C. Now you're also going to use G. You can use this G or this G. I actually use both. That's how much it matters or doesn't matter. So for this, I'm going to show you though. I put my pinky, all right, on the 3rd fret on the little E string, and then I put my ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. All right, so you can use that, and then for the that's just a simpler one I'll say in this song. Then you're also going to do A minor. So for A minor, you put your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret. Okay, if you can see that 1st fret on the B string. And I'm kind of muting the big E string here. You don't have to, but I think it sounds better if you do. Okay. You're also going to use F. This is the one that's hard for a lot of people, but I know you can do it. Okay. So for F, you're supposed to bar on the 1st fret from the big E string all the way down. If you can't do it, just try, because you'll at least mute the ones down there. Otherwise, it doesn't sound right. Okay, so it sounds really off otherwise. So what you're going to do is pointer finger barring on the 1st fret starting from the E string all the way across. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so that's F. Now, one little trick for F is you don't have to. With guitar playing, you don't have to put them all down at the exact same time. That would be awesome and ideal. But if you're brand new, put down, do that, these, and then put the middle finger down. Okay. All right, like that. Now that'll help you out. So then the last one is D minor 7. So what you're going to do for that is you're going to put your pointer finger. You're going to bar. This is a super easy bar, by the way. It's not even really barring, but kind of. So you're going to bar. Just put it on both on the 1st fret on the B and little E strings, okay. And then you're going to put your middle finger. All right. You can use whatever finger you want. This is how it works for me. Put that one on your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. All right, and then mute this one. Okay. So that's D minor 7. Now, let's go into this. So the strumming pattern for this song is the same throughout the whole song. So what you're going to do is you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, you're always doing that. Now you can do it a lot faster than that, but you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. I was going to go with pick. I'll do that if it helps to make it a little louder. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just going to do like a louder one. It's going to be like a split-second wait. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, like that. So that's for the strumming pattern for the whole thing. Now the chord progression, and you're gonna do the intro with no lyrics, and you're gonna start with C, G, A minor, G. Then you do F, C, then here it goes D minor, G. Okay, so when I go, see, you notice I did this G at the end. You can do whatever you want. It's just easy for me to do that one, to go from D minor 7, because see how my ring and pinky are already down there, so then I just go to that. Okay, so C, G, A minor, G, F, C, D minor 7, G. Now if you don't have to do that, you could do D minor 7, G, okay? Either one works, okay? So after you do that G, though, you're gonna do where I come from. Okay, from is C, all right? So from is where you start playing C. Now for the verses, I would recommend playing these higher sounding notes, okay? All right, so I'd play those. You're gonna do where I come from. It'll give the song a little bit of variation because there's not a ton, especially if you're just playing on an acoustic guitar. So I would do these lower strings especially. All right, so you're gonna do where I come from. From is where you do C. From, we wash up before supper. Supper is F, okay? Supper, you don't talk back, okay? So you do supper, you don't talk back to your mother. Okay, mother is F. So you don't talk back. Back is G. Back to your mother. Okay, mother is F. Mother, or you get your butt worn out. Okay, so you're gonna do out is D minor 7. Out, and then you're gonna do G. G. Where I come from. And then from is C. From is the same. Okay, same as G. Same pew every Sunday. Sunday is F. Sunday. And the preacher is G. Preacher says there's one way. Okay, one way is F. One way to heaven. You can ask. Ask is G. Ask the good Lord now. Yes, something. Okay, something is D minor 7. Something about you brings me back home. Home is G, okay? Girl, your kiss. All right, kiss is D minor 7. Your kiss is like a trip down some swept road. Okay, road is G, road. Now you can just go straight into the chorus, or you can do what I just did and do. It's the sound. Okay, so you could stop and do it's the sound, or you can just keep playing and go. It's the sound. On C is where you're gonna play sound. Okay, sound of a mag. Okay, mag. So this is for the chorus, right? Magnolia is going to be G, but mag is G. That's where you're going to play it at the beginning of Magnolia. Magnolia breeze. Okay, so breeze is where you're going to go to A minor. Breeze, ice cubes. Cubes is G. Cubes and sweet tea. T is F, okay? T, fight song on a Friday. Okay, Friday is A minor. Friday, bug zapper. Okay, bug zapper is D minor 7. Bug zapper buzzing in the driveway. Okay, driveway is G. Driveway. It ain't much is C. Much, but it sounds as G. Sounds so sweet. Sweet is A minor. Sweet, a Southern symph. Okay, so symph. All right, the first part of symphony is where you're gonna do G. Symphony. Okay, knee of symphony is F. Knee. So knee to sing along. Let it play. Okay, play on and on is where you're gonna do G. Play on and on, cause where I come from. So you do cause, you could do one hit, or you can just keep playing it like you do. Okay, but the same way you were. So where I come from, that's a love song. So when you do that, you're gonna play C again on love. Where I come from, that's a love song. You're gonna do C, G, A minor, G, F, C, D minor, D minor 7, G. And then you're gonna go into the next verse, okay? That's actually how you play the whole song. So I'm gonna go through the chorus once so you can just watch my fingers when I play it, okay? And hopefully that helps you with the timing of it. It's the sound of a magnolia breeze, ice cubes and sweet tea, fight song on a Friday, bug zapper buzzing in the driveway. It ain't much, but it sounds so sweet. A Southern Symphony, sing along, let it play on and on, 'cause where I come from, that's a love song. G, A minor, G, F, C, D minor 7, G. Okay, and then you'll go right into the next verse. Where I come from is where you'll play C. All right, so now you know how to play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It was fun learning this song, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.